Monarchs on the Move by Caleb Graham. Table of Contents: Two-Way Travelers, Parts of a Monarch's Life, The Journey South, Life in Winter, The Journey Back North. It's a warm summer day. You watch the flowers wave gently in the breeze. Suddenly, a flash of orange and black flutters past. It's a monarch butterfly. Monarch butterflies are beautiful insects. But did you know that they are also some of the most amazing travelers in the world? The caption says, "Monarch butterflies are amazing travelers." Two-way travelers. What makes monarch butterflies such special travelers? They are the only butterflies that migrate. Each fall, millions of monarchs fly more than 1,000 miles from their homes in the north to their winter homes in the south. When spring comes, the monarchs migrate back to their homes in the north. The caption says, "This map shows where and when monarchs migrate." And as you can see on the map, it gives the arrows of fall, and the green are the spring, and the orange is summer. Monarchs have to migrate. Their survival depends on it because monarchs can't live where it is really cold. When the weather gets cold in one place, they fly to where it's warm. But why don't they live in a warm place all year? They can't. Monarchs must lay their eggs on milkweed plants. Milkweed grows only in the north, where it gets colder in the winter. And the caption says, "Monarch butterflies must lay their eggs on milkweed plants." Parts of a monarch's life. A monarch doesn't start life as a butterfly. It begins life as a tiny egg on a milkweed leaf. A caterpillar hatches from the egg. The caterpillar's black, yellow, and white stripes make it easy to see. The caterpillar eats and eats the milkweed leaves and gets bigger and bigger. When it is fully grown, it finds a safe spot to change into a butterfly. And you see the two pictures. One is the eggs and one is the caterpillar. First, the caterpillar makes a special home for itself. This special home is called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar begins to make a dramatic change. In about 2 weeks, a beautiful butterfly hatches from the chrysalis. And you can see the two pictures are the chrysalis and then the butterfly once it has emerged. The journey south. The new butterfly is hungry when it comes out of the chrysalis. Unlike the caterpillar, however, the butterfly doesn't eat leaves. It drinks nectar, a sweet liquid in flowers. The monarch butterfly flies from flower to flower. It drinks plenty of nectar and it gets fatter and fatter. The butterfly will use this fat as fuel for the long trip south. And you see the caption, "The monarch's long tongue helps it get nectar from flowers." When the weather gets colder, the flowers start to die. Now the monarch knows it has to fly south. Like all animals that migrate, monarchs know exactly where they need to go. Many travel almost 2,000 miles to their winter homes, never making a wrong turn. And in the caption it says, "Monarchs fly almost 2,000 miles to their winter homes." Life in winter. In their winter homes, monarchs often gather in groups. Thousands of monarchs may gather on a single tree. They may make a green tree look solid orange. Not all of the monarchs stay safe until spring. Mice or birds may eat them. People also cause problems for the butterflies. New homes and roads mean fewer places for the monarchs to live. The caption says, "Staying close together protects the monarchs from wind, rain, and cold." The journey back north. When warmer weather comes, the monarchs start their long journey back north. It's time to lay eggs to create new caterpillars. That means the monarchs need to find milkweeds. By summer, millions of new monarch caterpillars will hatch. Soon, these caterpillars will change into butterflies and begin their own journey. See if you can find the monarch butterfly. Glossary. Caterpillar, a worm-like creature that will turn into a butterfly. The next one is chrysalis, the case in which a caterpillar changes into a butterfly. The next one is nectar, the sweet liquid found in flowers. And the next one is swarm, a large group. Well, this is a Van Damme diagram that tells you the similarities and differences between caterpillars and butterflies. They did not fill in the butterfly difference. So I thought, Noah, that might be fun for you to think about at least. You probably won't be able to type in. You can try, but don't worry if you can't type it there. Just think about something that makes the butterfly different from the caterpillar. It can be very simple, and you're so good at these. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Mrs. Denning sure does miss you.